Taylor's passion for fishing was amazing.
It will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine.
We had our second annual Taylor Zito tournament at Lake Harding at the Landing. We had 34 boats this year from the 13 last year. Some of our main sponsors were Crown Royal, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi.
I think Taylor would be real proud all these boats showed up in his memory. I also want to say his family is very proud of him, and our biggest loss is not having him here with us to fish.
Of course I'm proud of this event and of Taylor with what he did for fishing in this community, and this is just evident on how everybody showed up. It was grown since last year, and it looks like it's the type of event that'll keep going and going and going. Hopefully I'd like to see it just grow to a national type tournament.
I can only imagine when that day comes.